Right. Coming soon. Being remodeled. Back kitchen. Yeah. Kitchen here.
TV.
And TV. So this would be like your living room.
Sofa.
Okay.
Bàn.
Bond table. What table? Okay.
Bàn ăn. Bàn ăn.
Banan. Ban.
Bàn.
Oh, eating table. Oh, banan. Yeah, eating table. Yeah.
Tủ lạnh.
Yeah.
Tủ lạnh.
And do that. That's a fridge. And you do have, oh, nice size balcony. In back, yeah, it's nicer, and you got a little view. You can see
Ăn không?
nice little flower garden-ish. What is that? The bathroom? That is gonna be huge. Wow, I know.
Oh, wait, maybe this is kitchen.
No,
She said
the kitchen there.
Máy giặt.
Whoa.
Nice that.
Oh, a washing machine.
Cái
Okay. Wow. Shower. Oh, glass. So she will enclose.
đây.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice.
Cái
Wow. Amazing. Wow. And I know in this owner, the style that she does, like it's gonna be like done well, like high quality. Yeah.
For a new time.
Yeah. So this is Ciao. Oh, you guys are doing your thing. Okay. Yes. Oh.
phòng ngủ.
So this is a different layout completely. Yeah, this is definitely a proper one. This is gonna be huge. Bao nhiêu tiền? Jay, bao nhiêu tiền?
Bao tiền nữa hả?
Yeah, okay.
12.
12, okay, we're at 12. Oh my god. Challenge! Alright. Whoa, what's going on here? So she's gonna finish this to a garden. Okay. This is nice. Yeah. So this could be a nice place to garden. And this will be another place? Oh. Look at this. I like this. This is really dope.